Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance. Binance is a top global cryptocurrency exchange, offering a wide range of digital assets. To begin, you'll need to register an account using your email or phone number. After that, complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, to unlock all features and ensure your account is secure. This step is crucial for full access to deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency directly from an external wallet. Just ensure you select the correct network, such as ERC20 or BEP20, to avoid issues. Alternatively, deposit fiat currency like US dollars or euros using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Binance supports various payment methods depending on your region, making it easy to get started. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to trade. Head to the spot trading interface, which is ideal for beginners. Here, you'll select a trading pair, such as Bitcoin versus USD. You can then place an order to buy or sell. A market order executes instantly at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you wish to trade at, offering more control. Security is paramount on Binance. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, and use a strong, unique password for your account. When you're ready to withdraw funds, you can send cryptocurrency to an external wallet or transfer fiat currency directly to your bank account. Always double-check wallet addresses and network selections to ensure your funds reach their intended destination safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.